Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Linda and today I'm going to be showing you my favorite vegan one-pot pasta recipe. This makes a fantastic weeknight dinner because not only can you cook it all in one pot, but there's no chopping needed. So it's easy to make and easy to clean up. Now, while this may not be an authentic Italian recipe, it is full of delicious, warm, cozy, comforting flavors. You've got that bold tomato taste coming through. You've got that creamy, dreamy savoriness going on, thanks to some special ingredients I'll be showing you. And you get your veggies in there too, so it's all good. I don't know about you, but I'm getting hungry just talking about it, so let's get started. Boil 6 cups of water in a large saucepan and add 3 cups of mixed frozen veggies. Return the water to a boil and cook the veggies for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they're tender. Scoop out your cooked veggies into a bowl and set them aside. Add salt to the pot of boiling water and add in a package of pasta. Add another cup of water or whatever amount is needed to make sure that the pasta is fully covered. Return it to a boil and cook the pasta for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Roughly mash your cooked veggies in the bowl into bite-sized pieces. Add a can of tomato paste to the pasta. Your pasta won't be fully cooked yet, but that's the point. We want it to finish cooking in our sauce, so stir it well. Add another cup of water if needed, if the water level is getting too low. Go ahead and add in a second can of tomato paste and stir that in too. We're gonna make this really saucy. Now let's season it up. Add some garlic powder, dry basil, black pepper, and sea salt. Now add some Nutritional yeast for some nice cheesy flavor. This next ingredient is totally optional. I have this organic superfood blend. It's great for smoothies and baking, but I like to add a tablespoon of this into my pasta sauce. It's a great way to sneak in some extra nutrition. You don't notice the taste, and it helps thicken up the sauce. If you don't have anything like this, go ahead and just add an extra tablespoon of Nutritional yeast instead. Now for some added umami flavor and savory creaminess, drizzle in some tahini. I know it seems weird, but it totally works. I actually got this tip from LIVfit on YouTube, and I've been using it ever since with my pasta, so thanks LIVfit for that tip. Just look at how creamy that looks. Oh my gosh, I'm getting hungry just looking at it. Taste and adjust the seasonings if needed. Then add in your mashed veggies and carefully fold them into the pasta. Depending on the size of your pan, you might just want to serve these separately and mix them in your individual bowl, but we're gonna make it work here. I mean, really, how can you feel guilty eating pasta when it's full of this many veggies? This is one of my favorite comfort food dishes, and it's really easy to pull together on a weeknight too. Yum! All right, I've been patiently waiting to try this. I served myself in the bowl that I mashed my veggies in so that I could have fewer dishes to do. But also, let's face it, I wanted a big serving of this pasta. So let's dig in, shall we? It's so good. It's best if you can serve this immediately after, because that's when you get the most sauciness, but it makes for good leftovers too, if you have any leftovers. Well, there you have it. Sometimes I'll put extra salt and pepper in my bowl, or extra nutritional yeast, or some fresh basil leaves if I have too many that I just need to use up. But really, this is just so good on its own. Like I said before, you've got that combination of the tomato sauce flavor, but also that hint of tahini mixed with the nutritional yeast makes it a little more creamy and almost cheesy-like, but it's really good. And the veggies, especially the broccoli, absorb the sauce really well too, so it just works perfectly. I'm gonna go finish the rest of this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell too. I post new recipe videos every Sunday, so stay tuned. Bye. Yummy. It's like a tomato sauce. Obviously, I'm gonna finish this now. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this now. and subscribe so that you can get notified. Okay,